All right, you guys, we are ready to use our blowers. I got the Whisper series, the one I reviewed last year, and my son. We have the free one. This was a free tool. I have a review on that one already, and I did the review on this one. Links will be in the description, but we are about to put y'all maybe on a time lapse, or we're going to do a fast forward. We're going to see how long the batteries last, and that will be it. And we are on full battery right here. That's a full battery. That one's a full battery, but this one is going to do more power. I'm probably going to use the turbo more on this one, and y'all enjoy.
So we're just gonna blow the leaves?
Yup. Okay, you guys, so I was on turbo mode the whole time, and it was 6 minutes, and we have 2 batteries, 2 bars left on our batteries, not 2 batteries. So as you can see right there, we have 2 batteries, but I was on turbo mode the whole time. I already tested this out before. This thing lasts me a good 45 minutes when I don't use the turbo mode. When you use turbo mode, you might could get close to 20 minutes depending on your usage of it. All right, other than that, we're done with that. Like, comment, and subscribe.